Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to start a blog on Cloudways hosting. Now, what exactly is Cloudways and how exactly it is different from regular web hosting companies? Now, Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform that lets you host WordPress or other websites on top tier cloud providers. Okay. Under Cloudways, you will be able to purchase cloud services from DigitalOcean, AWS, Google, and few more other companies. Unlike regular shared hosting where hundreds of sites share their same low power server, Cloudways gives you dedicated cloud sources, much faster performance, stronger security and backups, better scalability for high traffic sites, full server control without technical complexity, managed updates, caching, and performance tools. So if you are planning to start a fast loading website, then Cloudways will be definitely a preferred choice. Obviously, compared to web hosting or shared hosting, Cloudways is little bit costly, but you will not find it very much costly because the performance is amazing. Now I am hosting couple of websites on Cloudways and the performance is simply amazing. Okay, now let's get started and start this tutorial on how to start a blog on Cloudways. The first step is let's buy hosting from Cloudways. You have to check the video description and use the special promotional link. The official website of Cloudways will open, and right now their Black Friday sale is going on, 50% off and for the first 3 months, and then you will also get a special coupon code also. So to get started, click on claim offer. So you can see that promo code applied successfully. In case the promo code has not applied successfully, you can apply for BFCM5050 or just check the video description. You will get the updated promo code also. You can apply that particular promo code. Okay. So now what we need to do, we need to fill up this form and then continue for the sign up. In fact, you can do with the Google login also, but for this tutorial I am going to fill up this form manually and then we'll proceed for the sign up. So you can notice that these are the information I have provided, and then I'll click on sign up. So the next screen will be something like that. You will get a verification email on that email ID. So let's go to our email ID and do the verification. So you can see that. So you got a email ID. So simply you click that email ID and we have to activate that account now. So let's click on this. Next, it is asking to verify our phone number. So let's give me the phone number and do the verification. So you can see that our verification has completed. Now from the screen, we'll choose 3 days free trial. Now click on start free trial. So you will get a screen like this. Okay. So we are going to create this website with the help of WordPress. Okay. So by default, WordPress is there. We'll click on WordPress and then we'll put our application name. So I have a domain on Black Friday. So I'll be giving the name of the application as Black Friday 101, server name. So these are the basic details we need to provide. Then next option is applicable stack. So hybrid stack or lightning fast stack. So let's choose this lightning stack only. And then we need to select the server. So with this 3-day free trial, either we can choose DigitalOcean, Vultr or Linode. AWS and Google Cloud is on paid plans. Okay. But the cheapest plan is always with DigitalOcean on. Now we'll select DigitalOcean. Next. So for this free plan, by default, it will be basic only, general purpose and CPU optimized is on the paid plans. Okay. What we'll do to make it the cheapest plan, we'll reduce it to 1 GB. Next, we need to select the server location or data center. For example, let's say I'll be choosing on, let's say Frankfurt, and then now let's click on launch now. In the next screen, you will see it will ask us to choose a plugin. So we'll not choose this plugin, rather we'll do skip for now. Fine. So our WordPress is installing on the server. You can see that. So finally, our Cloudways server has been set up. It took some time, almost more than 10 minutes. You can see our Black Friday 101, that application is also set up. So application means it's the website. Now, if I click on this application, you can see an interface like this. Okay. Now what we will do, we'll simply click on this. This is the application URL. So you can see that our WordPress website has been created and the URL right now look like a temporary URL from Cloudways. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to connect our domain to Cloudways. Now how to connect our domain to Cloudways? For that, we need to go to the left side option, domain management. Here you will see this temporary domain has been listed. We need to click on add domain. Now before clicking on add domain, we have to purchase a domain and then we need to connect that domain with Cloudways. So to purchase a domain, I generally recommend to go to Namecheap. So here you can choose your domain name. For example, my first website 2026.com. Okay. So I'm just giving you a example how exactly we need to do. So it is showing the domain is available. We need to click on add to cart. So I have already logged in. So it is showing the price here. Click on view cart. So if you have not logged in, it will ask you to create the account. So you have to do all the registration with email ID and password. Then you will see this kind of a screen. Now the best part of Namecheap is that you will get the domain privacy, which is free forever. Now that is the best thing. So that's the reason I always choose for Namecheap. And also you will see you will get a good discount. Now after validating everything, you can click confirm and choose the payment option and complete the purchase. Okay. As soon as you complete the purchase, you will see an option to click on manage the domain. Click on that and you will come to the domain management section. First, what we need to do, we need to scroll down below and delete whatever is the default option is there. Simply delete it. Next we will go to advanced DNS. Then we will delete this also. Then we'll click on add record. We'll create a record. We'll provide the host as @ and IP address. Now for this IP address, we need to go to again Cloudways. We will go to access details tab and simply scroll down. You will see that the IP address will be like listed here. Simply we need to click copy. Again, we'll go to Namecheap. We'll provide the IP address here and we'll click on save changes. Then we will create one more record. We'll go to CNAME record. We'll put www and then we'll put the domain name. Okay. And then we'll click save. That's it. So our domain name setup in the Namecheap site has been completed. What we need to do now, next we'll go to our Cloudways settings. Again, we'll go to domain management. Now we will click on add domain. Here we'll provide the domain and then click save changes. Fine. So our domain has been added. Next, in the right side, we need to click on this and make this domain primary. Set as primary. So see, our Black Friday 101 domain has been added and it has set up as a primary. Now again, we will go to access details. So now you can see that our temporary domain has been changed with our proper domain name. Now what we need to do, we need to simply click on this admin URL, click on this. So you can see that your connection isn't private. So what is left here? Our SSL certificate has not been installed. So for that, what we need to do, again, we need to go to Cloudways and then in the left side, you can see there is SSL certificate option. Simply click on it. Now here we need to provide the email ID and the domain name. And by default, the free SSL will be Let's Encrypt, which is automatically selected. So let's provide the email ID and domain name and then simply we'll click on install certificate. We'll not choose this apply wildcard because that is a paid feature. We are going to install free SSL only. So simply click on install certificate. So you can see that SSL certificate installation has been started. So you can see that our Let's Encrypt free SSL certificate has been installed. We got the message also. Now again, we'll go to the tab. Now let's refresh this. So yeah, you can see that SSL certificate means HTTPS has been installed. Now it is asking us to provide the username and password. So again, we'll go to Cloudways dashboard, access details. So generally for Cloudways, your email address will be your username. We'll simply copy it and we'll paste it here. Then again, the password will copy it. You can change the password also, but right now I'll provide the default password and then I'll click on login. Now we are logging into our WordPress dashboard. So now after logging into the WordPress dashboard, we have to do certain basic settings. Okay. So what we will do, we'll simply go to post. There will be default hello world post. We'll simply remove it. Then we'll go to page. We'll simply remove this sample page and everything. Then comment, I think it's already deleted. Next we'll go to plugins. We can deactivate these plugins and then click delete. So it is better to delete everything by default, whatever is installed, and we'll be having a simple blank website right now. Let's open this. So you see that this is a simple blank website. There is nothing. Okay. So now what we will do next, we will install a theme and then start our website design. Okay. So to do that, we need to go to appearance, themes. There is an option called add theme. We'll click on add theme. Then by default, you will see there is a theme called Astra. If it is not there, you can search it here also. So as we got the theme in the first page itself, we'll click on install, activate. As soon as we activate the theme, it is saying that your website ready in minutes. Let's get started. Start building now. Okay. So by clicking on start building now, you agree to install and activate the starter temp. Now we need this plugin to get the ready to use templates. So simply click on start building now. Now it's automatically activating. So it is saying welcome to Astra. Let's get started. So let's get started. Let's click this button. So here it is asking to provide few details. You can provide these details or else we can skip also. So again, it is asking to choose something. We can skip also. Let's skip these things. Now build your site in minutes using pre-built templates. Now we have two options, whether we can choose AI starter templates or we can choose the classic templates also. So right now let's click on build with templates. Then it will ask whether you want to choose a block editor or Elementor. So we'll select Elementor. Now you can see that a lot of website templates has been listed automatically. Okay. Now you can spend some time on this page. So there are like category based also, business website, restaurant, hotel, local business wise, personal care. So lots of websites are listed here. Couple of themes you will see there is a premium option. So if you choose them, you have to like pay for them. Otherwise, rest of them are all free themes only. Okay. Now what we can do, we can choose one of the themes and start building our website. Let's say this theme looks good. We'll choose this theme only. Just simply select. Now the theme has loaded. Now on the left side, you can see upload file here for logo. So right now we do not have any logo. So if you want to change your logo, then simply click here, upload the logo and you can change it here. Okay. Next is font pair. Now what kind of font you want to choose? See, it is very easy to change. Simply click on it. The font is changing. Simply click on it. It is changing. Click on it. It is changing. So automatically things are getting changed here. So let's say we'll keep this one. Again, you can choose the color palette also. Let me choose this. See, button color is changing. So let's continue with this option. So these are the two options I selected. As per your preference, you can choose your option. Next, click on continue. Now select the features like you need page builders, contact form, lot of things, options are coming. So what we will do, we'll simply skip this step. Again, it is asking for some more details you can provide, or else we can select this and submit and build my website. So you can see that our website building process has been started and it will take some time. Let's wait for that. So you can see that congratulations, your website has been created. Now let's click on visit your website. So you can see that the entire template, whatever we have selected, it is imported in this domain blackfriday101.com, and we have just created our entire website, such a beautiful website where we have created immediately. Okay, now this is the template, it has updated. Now we need to do the changes to this template to make this website as per our requirement. So to do the changes, what we need to do, in the top section, click on edit with Elementor. So it will open this particular screen. We'll simply close this thing, keep this. Okay, got it. Okay, now this is the designing part. So here just spend some time and you will understand it very easily, because this is a simple drag and drop designer. You do not need to write any code, you do not need any technical knowledge. If you just see whatever I'm going to do and spend some time after after watching this video on creating your own website, then definitely you will be able to do that very easily. Okay, now in the right side you can see there is something called container. Now container is nothing but a section. So for example, this entire home we have, let's say this is the one section. Then if I choose the container, so this is the one section, then this is second section, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth. So this way we have multiple containers. Now in the container, let's say this is the top container. If we open it, this is the second container. In that we have heading. So this is the first heading, this is the second heading, there is a text editor, there is a button. Now beauty of this editor is, let's say we'll select on this one and simply click here. Now we can change the text also. So for example, let's say I just change the text to welcome to my website. Okay, next I'll say something just I'm writing. Okay, so this way you can change. In fact, you can change the button also. If you go there, double click on it, and then in the left side you can see that button text also you can see. Let's say get started now. So I have changed it. Button type, you can say info. See, color is also getting changes. Lot of things we can do. Okay, and link. So what link you can provide? So let's say I'll provide the link of this homepage only. I'll simply copy it. Any icon you want to provide, so you can choose the icon library. Click on it. You can choose any icon. Okay, see, lots of icons are there. So just for an example, let me show to choose it. Okay, see, it has came in front of the icon. So I can position. I can change the icon position. So it is very easy to design. So this way we can start designing the template whatever we have imported as per our website theme. Okay, next, now this is another important section. For example, you want to add one more section. So what you can do, you can simply click like this. It will open a section. Either you can choose any type of option and do the designing by your own, or what you can do, you can simply click and there are a lot of templates available. For example, simply click on it. So you will get two options, pages and blocks. Okay, so I'll choose a block. Let's say I want to provide some data related thing. Okay, so I'll go and choose this one, something like that. Import the block. Okay, so this is the block just now I have imported. Fine, this way you can do that. If you want to delete it, you can simply click on it, it will delete. So this is so much flexible. Okay, again, let's say for this section you want to change the image, click the image, upload your preferred image, and then simply change it. Again, come here, each and every detail. See, whatever element you will click, the left side you will see the details, and you can come here and you can change whatever you want. Okay, so this is the how you can change the entire home page, or how you can customize your entire details. Okay, next we need to create a page. So how we can create a page? Let's go to our website. So from this menu, click on new and then page. We'll create a page, close it. Let's say we'll name it about, and click on publish. So our page is published. Let's view this page. So right now the page is coming like this. Okay, now let's edit the page. So what we can do, click on edit page, then you will see edit with Elementor. You can click on it. Now click on this option, starter templates. Now first option is pages and the second is blocks. So we already use blocks and we have imported one block in the home page. Now we will import a page. So here you can search also about. So you can see that there are a couple of about us page has come. So we need to choose one. So let's say which one is good. So let me choose this one. Okay, see, so let's import the template. See, our entire about us page has been imported. Now again, you can choose each element and you can change as per your preference, whatever text you want to put, whatever image you want to put. So creating pages has become so easy. Now after importing, don't forget to publish the page. Otherwise, whatever changes we have done, it will not reflect. Okay, here you can see the left side about text is showing. We can go to the page. In the left side, you can see one icon is there. We can simply hide the page title. Okay, so I'm simply hiding it. View page again. So you can see that about text has been removed. Okay, now what we will do, we'll add this page to the about menu. So how to create a menu, go to the customize option. In the left side, you will see there is something called menus. So by default, one main menu has been already created. You can see that this is a primary menu. So what I can do, I can remove this about page and we'll add the about page, whatever we have created. So there are two about page. So I think this is the page we have created. So it has added. We'll simply drag this page on top, simply save. Now let's go back, and for footer, let's create another menu for footer. Next. So we'll choose footer menu, and then let's add some item. Let's say we'll go to some category. We'll will put some category. Just for an example, I am showing you how exactly it will look like. So in the right side, if you, and let's scroll down below. So you can see that our category menu has come into the footer, and home menu has that new page, whatever we have created. So that's it. So you can see that this is so easy to create a website like this with the help of Elementor and WordPress. So that's all in this video. If you want to create a fast loading website, then definitely I would recommend you to go with Cloudways hosting. Cost wise, it is very cheap and your website can handle a huge amount of traffic at the very low cost. If you have any doubt related to this tutorial, feel free to write a comment below. And if you find this video useful, feel free to like and share this video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.